How to log into mymilestonecard.com. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to log in into the Gold MasterCard in the Milestone, then here is a perfect tutorial. Open any of your browser and search for Milestone Credit Card login. Tap on the second link which says Milestone Golden Card, apply quickly. It will take you to the home page. Tap on the hamburger icon on the top right and tap on My Account. This will now take you to another page whereby you have to give your credentials and you are easy to log in by a simple step. You can also forget password and reset password from the same page as well. However, if you have yet not created the account, you can go back to the home page. Tap on Apply Now and you'll land to another page. Fill in the details such as name, total monthly income, expenses. Scroll down to read the additional terms and conditions and download it as well. After that, just accept each terms and conditions and submit the application. And this way you have applied for the MasterCard. Once it is verified, you will have to now give in the credentials and by the simple step of login, you are easy to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.